Pi coin investors waiting for this big move. Pi Network shocking news with J-Coin.
Will Pi coin finally be officially listed on Binance? Or is this just an overhyped speculation? Rumors are growing stronger that Pi coin will be listed on Pi Day, March 14, 2025, along with the possible announcement of the Global Consensus Value (GCV) price. The Pi Network community is getting more excited. But how valid are these claims? In this video, we will discuss the latest facts, community pressure, and the challenges that could hinder Pi coin's listing on Binance. Don't miss this crucial information. Watch until the end.
Go, 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 hustle hard, hustle every single day.
Community pressure and Pi coin price speculation.
The Pi Network community is becoming increasingly vocal in urging Binance to list Pi coin as soon as possible. Polls on Binance Square show strong support, while online campaigns such as petitions and discussions across various crypto forums continue to gain momentum, fueling hopes that Pi coin will soon be listed on a major exchange. However, one big question remains: if Pi coin does get listed, what will its price be? Currently, the community is divided into two main camps. 1. GCV supporters believe that Pi coin deserves a high valuation, potentially reaching $314 or more per Pi. They argue that the rapidly growing Pi Network ecosystem and its large user base justify this valuation. 2. Market price advocates take a more realistic approach, referring to the price currently traded on unofficial exchanges, which is significantly lower than the GCV. They believe that once Pi coin is listed on Binance, its price will follow an open market mechanism, where supply and demand will determine its true value. If many users rush to sell their coins after the listing, the price could drop significantly. On the other hand, if demand is high and investors have confidence in its long-term potential, the price could surge. Amid this debate, the Pi Network community faces a major dilemma. Are they ready to accept a market price that may be far below expectations, or will they continue pushing for the GCV concept? One thing is certain: this situation remains highly speculative, and anything could change at any moment. That's why it's crucial for the community to stay updated on the latest developments and be prepared for all possible scenarios.
Pi coin price trends and market capitalization.
Currently, Pi coin ranks 11th on CoinMarketCap with a market capitalization exceeding $12 billion, an impressive figure considering the project is still in development and has yet to be officially listed on Binance or other major exchanges. This high market capitalization reflects the strong enthusiasm of the Pi Network community. However, one crucial point to note is that the listed price on CoinMarketCap comes from unofficial exchanges, meaning its value remains highly volatile and could experience significant fluctuations once listed on more liquid platforms. With growing speculation about a potential Binance listing, many analysts have started forecasting Pi coin's future price potential. Some optimists believe Pi coin could reach $8 by 2025, while more conservative estimates place it around $3. These high expectations reflect the community's strong belief in the Pi Network project. However, the actual price will depend on several key factors. 1. Listing on major exchanges. If Binance or other leading exchanges begin trading Pi coin, it could significantly increase trading volume and strengthen its market value. 2. Adoption and real-world utility. The more merchants and applications accept Pi coin as a payment method, the greater its potential for value growth. 3. Market sentiment and regulations. Like other cryptocurrencies, Pi coin's price will also be influenced by macroeconomic conditions, government regulations, and global market trends. With all these factors in play, the Pi Network community is in an exciting phase where anything is still possible. Will Pi coin truly reach the expected price levels? Or will there be major challenges before its value is established in the open market? These remain big questions, and we will continue to monitor developments closely.
Speculation on listing date and expectations for GCV price.
Pi Day 2025 is the most highly anticipated moment for the Pi Network community. Falling on March 14th, speculation is growing that Binance might list Pi coin on this date. If this turns out to be true, it would not only be a major milestone for the Pi Network ecosystem, but also a long-awaited opportunity for pioneers who have been mining Pi for years. However, speculation goes beyond just a listing. GCV supporters are also hoping that on Pi Day 2025, the official GCV price will be announced and recognized globally. The debate over Pi coin's true value continues, with three main groups dominating the discussion. 1. GCV supporters argue that Pi coin's price should be determined by community consensus, not market forces. They believe that Pi should be valued at $314 or more, inspired by the mathematical constant Pi, 3.14, and should be recognized as a global payment method with a fixed value. 2. Market price supporters believe that Pi coin's value will be dictated by supply and demand, like any other cryptocurrency. They reference the current trading price on unofficial exchanges, which is significantly lower than the claimed GCV. They argue that once Pi is listed on Binance or other major exchanges, its price will follow open market dynamics. 3. Independent ecosystem supporters take a different stance, suggesting that Pi's value should not be determined by exchanges or speculative trading, but by its real-world utility. If the Pi ecosystem expands and Pi is widely used in everyday transactions, its value will naturally form based on its usability rather than speculative pricing. Key questions remain. Will Binance and other major exchanges consider the community's desired price or stick to an open market pricing model? Will the GCV price be officially recognized, or will Pi coin follow standard market pricing? Can the community successfully build an independent ecosystem where Pi's value is determined without relying on exchanges? Historically, major exchanges set prices based on trading activity, but given the large and engaged Pi network community, could a new approach emerge? For now, everything remains speculative, but one thing is certain: Pi network continues to grow, and whatever happens, the community must stay informed and prepared.
Potential risks for Binance.
With millions of active users and high anticipation for a listing, Binance faces a major dilemma. Listing Pi coin early could attract millions of new users to the platform. However, if they delay for too long, the Pi community might shift to other exchanges or even develop its own decentralized ecosystem. At the same time, Binance cannot rush the process. Compliance standards, security, and liquidity remain key considerations before making a decision. If Pi network has not yet met these requirements, Binance may choose to wait until its ecosystem is more mature. So, will Binance seize this opportunity, or will it miss out on a massive market potential? All eyes are now on the next move of the world's largest exchange.
The growth of the Pi network community.
One of the biggest strengths of Pi network is its rapidly growing community. Currently, Pi network has amassed over 4 million followers on X, Twitter, demonstrating remarkable enthusiasm and support for the project. Beyond social media, the Pi community is also highly active on various forums, Telegram groups, Discord servers, and YouTube. Discussions about Pi coin's future, potential exchange listings, and ecosystem development remain hot topics, proving that Pi is not just another crypto project but a global movement involving millions of people worldwide. As the community grows, so does the strength of the Pi network ecosystem. The increasing demand for major exchanges like Binance to list Pi coin continues to rise, as the project's massive user base presents an attractive opportunity for crypto trading platforms. Additionally, a strong and engaged community attracts more developers and business partners to build Pi-based applications and services, further accelerating the adoption of its ecosystem. With an ever-expanding and highly dedicated community, the question now is, will Pi network succeed in realizing its vision of becoming one of the largest blockchain ecosystems in the future? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: community support will remain a key pillar in Pi network's journey to success.
Long-term price prediction for Pi coin.
One of the biggest questions within the Pi network community is, what will the price of Pi coin be in the future? As of now, price predictions for 2025 to 2030 vary widely, ranging from $2 to $8. However, the actual value will depend heavily on several key factors, including adoption rates, ecosystem development, and the potential listing on major exchanges like Binance. If Pi network successfully expands its ecosystem by integrating more merchants and users who accept Pi coin as a payment method, its price could increase naturally. Institutional support or partnerships with well-known companies could also boost confidence in Pi, driving its value even higher. On the other hand, if Pi coin does not get listed on Binance or other major exchanges, or if ecosystem development faces challenges, its price may stagnate or even experience downward pressure. History has shown that real adoption and strong community support are crucial factors in determining the value of any cryptocurrency. Ultimately, price predictions only provide a possible outlook based on current factors. Could Pi surpass expectations and reach a higher value? That will depend on ecosystem growth, regulatory policies, and the strategic direction of the Pi Network team in the years to come.
Conclusion and discussion opinion.
Is the listing of Pi on Binance getting closer? As of now, community support for the listing is overwhelming. In a Binance Square poll, 86% of users voted in favor of Pi being listed as soon as possible. Interestingly, despite not being listed on major exchanges yet, Pi already has a significant market capitalization, proving the high demand and enthusiasm for the project. With speculation that Pi could be listed on Pi Day, March 14, 2025, many are also hoping that the official GCV price will be announced at the same time. On the other hand, Binance faces a dilemma. If they delay their decision too long, they risk losing a massive and highly engaged user base within the Pi network ecosystem. Regarding price predictions, opinions vary widely, from a realistic range of $2 to $8, to the GCV community's expectation of a much higher valuation. Ultimately, the future of Pi value will depend on Pi network strategy, ecosystem adoption, and support from major exchanges. What do you think? Will Pi be listed on Binance on March 14, 2025? Do you support the GCV price model, or do you believe in market-driven pricing? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest crypto news and insights.
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.